Hi, students, and welcome to week 4 in your online strategies for success class. I hope you are enjoying your week so far. I'm recording this on Thursday of the prior week, the day the cold front has blown through. So I hope probably by the time you're watching this, it'll probably have warmed up some, but I hope you enjoyed our little cool snap and what felt like some fall weather for at least today on Thursday, November 4th. It feels nice and cozy. Um, this week we are studying about time management. I do want to say thank you for all your work on your goal setting assignments as well as your mission statements. You've done a good job with those. I can really kind of see your focus, and I hope that you feel like it's directing you and increasing your motivation. And again, I've said it before, but I hope you really consider putting those goals or your mission statement or both somewhere where you see them every day. That can be a really motivating practice, that every time you look up there are those goals, there's that mission statement staring you in the face and reminding you why you're working hard. So consider doing that. Consider making that front and center of something that you see every day. So this week, we're putting together that piece. Okay, so I know the direction I'm going. I know what my goals are. Now, how do I make that happen? And time management is such an important element of that. So you last week started tracking your time. So this week you will upload that, and that's this monthly calendar and week of a life here. And then you will answer these reflection questions. And again, as I emphasized last week when I previewed and told you to start tracking your time, this is not for me. This is for you. So the more honest you are with that reflection, the more that you really dig into reflecting on where your time is being spent, the more you have to benefit and learn from this assignment. So I really hope you'll consider that and look at that time management and really think about, okay, what's working, what's not working, and make some adjustments there. In addition, what is the thief of time? And that's procrastination. So you'll have a procrastination discussion question this week. And I just want to remind you, with procrastination discussion, as with all discussion, you'll have your initial post. And as much as you can, try to get that done by Wednesday so that your classmates have the rest of the week to post in response to what you've posted. As well as you have time to post on other students' initial posts. So don't forget your initial post, and then by Sunday, you will comment on at least 2 classmates' posts for full credit on that. So, if I had to say one topic that I don't care how successful you are, I don't care how well things are going for you, right? If I took one topic that most of us still have some work to do, it's probably time management. So I hope in what you read in the 3.5 section and through these assignments, you really find this beneficial to your time management. So have a great week, everyone. Don't forget to reach out to me with any questions, any help, anything I can do to help you be successful this week. So have a great week.